Okay, so I am making some rice for breakfast, and one of the reasons I like to use the mason jars is because it does have measurements here, and in an Instapot you do equal 3 cups, 3 cups. So one of these full containers is 3 cups of liquid, which is going to be, this is their broth, and then we're going to put this down in there. And we stir it. Okay. Just don't want any. Okay. Oh, that goodness. This rice is so good. I don't know why I haven't been cooking rice with broth before this. Just put the lid on and make sure that it's plugged up. Okay. And we're just going to go right here. And I like the normal low setting for 12 minutes. And we're going to keep it off, keep warm, because I do want to eat this for breakfast today. That's it. It'll be ready soon. All right, guys, it is ready. Right now I am running a spatula under cold water. That's what you're supposed to do with rice. So let's take a look at it. Look at that stuff there, you guys. It's perfect. Looks good. The dogs are still hungry because I gave them a little food earlier, but not as much because we're about to chow on some rice. Yeah, there it is, you guys. You want to see a taste test? My lovely self. Let's see. Oh, it's hot. It's good. It's real good. Good luck on your taste. Or your rice making. Okay, so now I'm making our rice, and I don't know. I either cut off my face or not. I need to get my stand. So how I make my rice is I get me a bowl. If you don't have butter sitting out, then I don't know what to do. I don't know what to tell you with your life, because you need to have butter sitting out since it's room temperature. Anyways, I throw a little bit of butter in here for me. Okay. And then for the dogs, they're going to get just a good, nice scoop. So here's the rice. So here's going to be sugars. Here's going to be granites. I'm going to give granite a little bit more. Give sugar a little bit more. It is always better, don't you agree, when rice is freshly made? So they do get a little bit more for this meal than what they normally get. So here's my breakfast. Here's how much granite's going to get. Well, sugar needs more. And here's how much sugar it's going to get. And then what I'm going to do for them is I'm going to give them a little bit more food just to cool this off. Again, they've already had half of their meal for the day, so they don't need a whole lot. Where is the fork? There it is. Okay. I'm just going to scrape all this chicken. Chicken tends to be sticky. Okay. And then we're just gonna mix it up here real nice. It is hot, so I need that cold food to cool it off a little bit. The dogs are both waiting. They can smell the rice. We love making rice. My dogs did have to get introduced to rice, and Sugar had to get introduced when she was rescued. I did not give them this much rice at first. They got smaller amounts. Their stomachs have gotten used to processing the rice. Granite has been on rice for about 2 years as far as on a regular diet. And when I did order food online, I noticed that a lot of their foods had rice in it. And a lot of kibble has rice in it. So it should be fine. And it gives them more calories that are less expensive, if you would. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, we're all here on a journey to make things more affordable. And rice is a way for both you and your dogs to get some calories, get some good protein in them, and on a cheap scale. I bought 5 pounds of rice last month in December, and it's January, at the end of January. So it does last a while as well. Anyways, it's just something that I've done. Now, when you cook this rice with broth, it does have the broth flavor. That's why the dogs love it, I think, so much too. So, you know, if you don't like certain types of flavors, then make sure your broth is to your flavor. But I do suggest cooking rice in broth over water. Okay, so now I'm going to let you guys watch them. Here we go. Turn off that flash. She is right there. He is right here. They are waiting very patiently for their foods. Okay. Here we go. Whoopsie. You okay? Cheers. So when I say any container, this is what I'm using for rice this week. I do save my plastic. Ooh, this is so hot. It's gonna burn out. I'm gonna let that air out for a second. Okay, y'all, watch Sugar. She does a little spin. You ready? You ready? Oh, you didn't do your little spin. Aw. She let me down. Now remember, you've already had some food today. They get greedy. They want more food. Whoops, sorry, G. I just poked you with the fork in the nose. That's it. That's all, you guys. That's it. That's all, baby. You've already had the amount of food you normally eat and rice. What am I supposed to do? Just let y'all eat me out of house and home? My goodness. Look at that belly. It's full. Look at that big belly. Look at it. Look. G over there gonna get every last little drip. Oh, he's looking. Oh, he's looking. He's snarling. Oh, he wants it. You need more? No, you need some more? Oh, him so hungry. Him so hungry. Yes, I gave in. I'm a sucker. And it's just rice. It's cheap. They love hot rice. Who doesn't love hot rice?